She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and seeing this face for the first time, my name is Chuma. Hello. And if you have been here my day one, thank you Chumi for coming back. I am so excited only because I'm starting a new vlog. Okay, so I'm starting a new vlog today. It is after work and I want to show you guys something also exciting. I got a delivery today. It is nothing special, nothing exciting. It's my license disc. So I renewed my license disc on the Natis app for the first time, you know, this year. And guess what? It only took me 2 days to receive my disc. I could have received it on day one, but because they tried to deliver on day one when the office was closed, because I put in my work address. So but it's like day two and you pay like 99 rand for delivery fee, which is, you know, compared to you standing on those lines, it was like it's worth it for me. And when I usually do it on the City of Cape Town site, Sana, I once did it on the City of Cape Town site, and I had to go in Sana to the traffic department after doing it online and ask for a reprint, because it took so long for them to deliver my disc. So I'm happy that I found this method or this way of doing it now. So I just thought, let me share it with you guys, because I know sometimes Tina ladies we drag, because my license disc expired on the 31st of July. It expired on the 31st of July, but I dragged it up until these drivers, up until now. But anyway, let me love and leave you guys. These people are crazy out here. Let me love and leave you guys. I'm on my way to fetch my baby, and I'll see you when I see you. Enjoy the vlog. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share my videos with anybody that enjoys, you know, lifestyle, home videos, cooking, all of that fun stuff. So yeah guys, have fun. Hope you are well. I'm still feeling sick again this week. Like I said, I'm that person that always gets sick when people around me are sick. So I'm fighting another flu sickness this week, but luckily it's only me this time around and not my baby. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, I'm back home and I'm having tea just before I start cooking sana because I am still fighting this flu. And let me tell you something, this flu this year, sana, it can't off. So I'm sick again this week and it's here sana. I did not treat it well. In fact, I did not take the antibiotics when I was sick the last time, and I think that's why it's coming back. And yeah. Anyway, I'm having tea. I'm having isconsi that I made yesterday. I used amasi that were about to expire, so I thought before it's a waste egg, and let me make some scones, and they're pretty good. So I'm having tea on this biggest cup that I have. The way it's so big, I'm sure you can see. Just to keep warm, you know. But other than that, I'm feeling so exhausted, guys. How are you guys doing? You know, I feel so exhausted. I feel like I can't wait for summer break, like summertime, like December, to take the holiday and just, you know, I am feeling so tired. But apart from that, I'm good. I hope that you are as well. And I don't know, Gesana Bana, what's the plan for the vlog, but I'll just vlog whatever that I vlog, and then you will see. And yeah, I was thinking of doing a live just to increase the subscribers. I was thinking of doing a live, so hold on. Okay, everything is good. So I think let me close it off here. We'll chat again maybe tomorrow, but let me close it off here for today. I'm gonna finish my tea and then start cooking. But yeah, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already. Remember, it's free 99. It doesn't cost you anything, okay? When I say anything, I mean anything. So please just subscribe, and also just make sure that you like the video. If you can, like the video or leave me a comment, you know. But yeah, thank you guys so much. See you again soon. chops. This is cabbage and mashed potato. And then I'm lazy to to put this one on a bowl or on a serving dish, because so I'm just gonna dish up like that. But yeah.
So these are arranged with C and Natis reporting suggest.